The HumanFIRST program studies how drivers interact with in-vehicle technologies on a psychological, perceptual, and behavioral level. Research in the HumanFIRST program has shown that there are significant risks to using in-vehicle distractions, such as cell phones or text messaging. These are distractions because they reallocate critical resources away from the primary task of driving. These resources are physical, hands off the wheel. They can be mental, as in redirecting your attention, or perceptual, as getting you to look in spots in the car instead of looking on the road in front of you. The big difference between cell phones and other distractors is that they command a significant amount of driver resources. Similar to texting, they can command physical resources interacting with the device, mental resources when you're paying attention to it, and perceptual resources when you're looking at it. Researchers in the HumanFIRST program measure drivers' level of distraction in a variety of ways. First, we'll look at performance decrements as a result of using the cell phone. So we'll look at how well somebody might be steering as they're driving down the road, how well they're controlling the accelerator pedal as they're going down the road, and how well they brake. So you can just imagine a scenario in which somebody is distracted by a cell phone or a text message, and while they're looking at that device, the lead vehicle begins to slow down. We can look at how quickly drivers respond to that event. We can also look at metrics like eye tracking behavior. Are they looking at the device, or are they looking at important and critical information in the real world? When drivers are first placed in the driving simulator, we often see that there's a little bit of training required to get used to the driving simulator. They have to get used to the steering, the braking, the controls of the vehicle, how well it accelerates and how well it brakes. But after a very short period of time, say 5 or 10 minutes, drivers begin to respond in the simulator the exact same way or very similar to the way that they would respond to normal driving situations in the real world.